Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 2015 115 Yamaha 25-inch. It's 25-inch. New water pump, new oil change, spark plugs. It's been thoroughly gone through. Like I said, it's got 122 hours on it. Most of those hours are under 2,000 RPM. So I'd say it was probably used on a pontoon to troll around the lake or a fishing motor. More than likely a pontoon, being Minnesota. Comes with the control box. It'll come with the prop that's on the motor. It'll be in the description what the prop is, but that's what you're going to get. If you need a different prop, you'll have to purchase that either from us or from somebody else. Let's run it up here. Neutral, reverse, trim and tilt. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.